Hey, Tom Hack here from BuildMyOwnWebsites.com, and today we are going to cover the WordPress text editor. The text editor is the tool you will use to form and sculpt your pages from within WordPress. Now, this is nothing to fret about, not too intimidating. If you've ever used anything like Microsoft Word, it's much simpler. We're kind of in between Notepad and Microsoft Word here, so no need to get excited. So, as always, let's dive in. So, I just threw up some random text up here, and first thing I'm going to do is show you the Add Media button. Now, that's where we'll add a image. So, if I click on the Add Media button here, and I'll select this photo, and click Insert into Page. So there we go. Now if I click on that image there, I can align that. So let's say I want to align that to the left. We can throw it over there. It looks a little better. We could move that image around too if we wanted, resize it. Anyways, that's simply the Add Media button. Next, moving on, we have bold, italic, and strike through. Those are all pretty common things that you've probably grown up using. Bold makes it a little thicker, stand out if you need to make something stand out. Numbered or bulleted lists. These are very handy, especially in today. Most people are scanners. When they're reading your content, they want to get to the point right away. So great using bullet text or numbered lists. Block quote, pretty neat little feature. Just makes a really thick, blocky set of text if you're wanting something to stand out. The horizontal line, really cool feature. If I wanted to add in a horizontal line, I'll just double click down here and now click on that, and you can see it's added this thin little faint gray line to just kind of separate things. It's a neat little thing if you're trying to divvy things up on your web page. Align left, center, or right. That's how we want our text to align. Insert a hyperlink. So let's say we wanted to take the word secrets, simply highlight that, go up, click the insert link button, and in here we would type the page that we wanted to link to. In this example, I'll just type in Google, and we have the option of having it open in a new window or tab, which we will. We don't want to close up our website, so we'll say yes, please open a new window there, or a new tab. Hit add link, and now we've got a hyperlink there. When we hit publish, you will see that definitely is a hyperlink. Again, we can remove the link with this. Insert read more tag. Now, if you've ever read any thing online where they have a whole bunch of, like, say 3 or 4 teaser lines, and then if you want to read more, click here, and then the next article would be right below it with just a few, like 3 teaser lines again, and read more, click here. That's exactly what that is. You can add one of those tags in. So if you didn't want to eat up a whole bunch of space on your web page, and you could just simply condense it to the first few sentences and then add a read more tag, which will take them to the full article later. This toggle toolbar, so we can completely get rid of that bottom line there by clicking that. I always leave it open. Paragraph and title tags. So if we wanted to add a title, let's say, make this here a title, and I'll go with a H3 title tag, and there we go. And that's highlighted. For some reason it's wanting to, there we go. You can see I have nice bold text here. The next thing, we can underline text. We can justify text. Now justify, I'll simply highlight this paragraph, hit the justify button, and it will automatically align all your text in a nice, neat, oops, did not mean to do that. Nice, neat, there we go. So nice clean edges. That's all the justify is. We can add color to our text. For example, you could make the word WordPress red. You can play with that. Another paste as text option. When you're throwing code into your website, you can leave it as the code is, or that's something I'll let you look into. That's another lesson, actually. Clear formatting is another lesson as well. The special character, sometimes there's things that do not appear on your keyboard that you want to add in, French accents, fractions. There's a bunch of different symbols here. If you want to add those in, they're possibly in there. Me personally, I've never had to use it, but it's there. Indent, increase and decrease indent button, and one of my favorite ones, the undo button. Now if I make a mistake and I want to go back, I believe the last thing I did was make that WordPress red there. If I hit undo, it will go back and take out the color that I had added. We can go back, hit the redo, it will make it red again. And keyboard shortcuts, those are simply for the smart people out there who are much smarter than me, who can remember these things. It's all in there for you, but that's way over my head. I'll let you play with that if you want. And another option over to the right here, distraction-free writing. If I click on that, the left and right sidebars disappear, and I can just concentrate on my writing and not have any distraction. So the final thing I'll show you is the text editor. I can switch this over. When I hit that, that's the exact same content as this, just in a different kind of code, in code language almost. So sometimes I do use the text editor for certain things that again, that's not the scope of this project, but that's what the text editor is. So anyways, for easy mode, I leave it in visual, and it's very simple to use the WordPress text editor. So that's it. I'm Tom Hack. I hope you found this useful, and thanks for listening.